Okay, Beth,
good
let's
luck.
go find these guys. Oh, I found them.
Dude, who just fell off the sign?
I'll be honest,
Fuck it.
one person.
I'll say it. Yeah, Hunter Hill.
Are you good, man? What do you think? Did I piss my pants? What happened?
Oh, that's the least of your problem, dude. Oh my god.